So guys, while the suspect launch date of the Pixel 3 XL is in early October, but the Google Pixel 3 XL appears quite ready in this video that surfaced much earlier than it should have. It shows the retail box being opened and the supplied accessories. So guys, this unboxing video shared by Russian tech bloggers Telegram account. So guys, this is the first unboxing video and the first ever live look of the Pixel 3 XL. We were surprised to see a pair of headphones included in the box. The Pixel 2 XL got none. They look nice too. Additional accessories included a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. The included headphones are USB-C, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter, plus the power delivery charger, of course. Guys, unfortunately the video doesn't include the shots of the phone in action, but we do have photos of it. However, they don't show anything unexpected. The Pixel 3 XL has a 1440p plus display with a notch. It's powered by Snapdragon 845 chipset with 4GB of RAM and runs Android 9 Pie, and it has a single camera on the back. Guys, these images once again show off the clearly white variant of the larger of the two upcoming Google phones. Only this time we can see the big G logos on the rear. Apart from that, the retail packaging and on-screen list of key specs, and so far the first time for a Pixel release a bundled set of earphones. And also finally we can make out a couple of settings screen that details the Pixel 3 XL's chipset. So this image shows that the phone will be powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor backed by 4GB of RAM and an Adreno 630 GPU. The display is also listed as having a 1440 by 2960 resolution with a 494 ppi rating. So guys, what do you make of the newly leaked images? Is this Pixel 3 XL you wanted to see? Let us know in the comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.